Welcome everyone to another tutorial in C Sharp, and this one's going to be about gravity. So I'll show you what I have here. So basically it's a box and it adheres to gravity in 2 dimensions, falls forward and, well, down at an increasing speed. So I'll show you how I did that. So I got a class here called Gravity Box, and I'll show you what that does. Basically, we got a rectangle for the area on the screen, brush for color, date time for when it starts falling, and I don't really use the Boolean variable for falling equals true. It's never set to false, so I didn't end up using that. So yeah, and then when I create the function, or rather when I create the class, I've got area for rectangle, theme for color, and then of course I set the time to now so that that's the time of it starts falling. I call this move function, and if it's falling, then it'll calculate for how much it needs to add on the y-axis. So that takes the difference in time, that previous time to the date time now, and then I take the seconds in between those two, so total seconds to the second power. So it's basically, the equation for gravity, 9.8, except it's pixels this time, so meters per second squared. Now it's 9.8 pixels per second squared, I guess. So yeah. And so basically, that's just the equation for gravity in 2D. Then I add that y, converting it to an int. Has to be double before though, so it has better precision since we have decimals in 9.8. Plus it won't jerk around, like for instance if it was integer, it wouldn't speed up until it hit that first second. So half a second wouldn't change its falling speed by any. So yeah, we just add that on to the y value, of course, and then brush returns, and so does the give area returns the rectangle. We use that with the timer function, so we set that up first, t dot interval to 20, so every 20 milliseconds, and then t dot tick is a event handler, which is right here of course, and then t dot start, of course, starts it. Okay, and then in tick we do gravity box dot move, which is the function which calculates, and we clear the graphics and do a fill rectangle. And then color gives color, and then give area gives the area. And then when you click the mouse, it creates a new one. So I'll show you this. And you see it starts out slow and it speeds up as it goes down. So yeah. Anyways, I think that's basically it for now. I hope this helped you. Leave a like if you liked it, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions or questions. So yeah, I guess that's all for now. Bye.